So data destruction, huh? Break that platter up in there. It's a big thing in the e-waste business. Someone asks you to destroy their data, you better do it. Take that. Go till it's through. Bust that platter. That's how you do it. There's other ways, but this way I know it's done. Yeah, that's what I'm about. Knowing something's done. Go till it shatters. Jingle jangle. I'm gonna break the rest of these down for that aluminum. Winner. You guys get the gist of it. Got a bunch more to do. Good morning. I'm a little nappy. Sweating my butt off. Just did an e-waste pickup. This guy was like, I got about 10 Dell 1950 Power Edge servers, server blades. Everybody's gonna correct me on that. So I got about 10 of them and some other stuff. A couple of things. Let me show you how excited I got. Switch. Yeah, the babies ain't got barely any room, poor guy. Hard drives, I gotta destroy every bit of that. Y'all know that. Come on. Got a couple of server blades. I'm trying to walk slow. I'm so damn excited. They go all the way down the bed. And the good news is he has more. He wants to go through and see what else he's getting rid of in his unit. Power backups and supplies. Yeah. PSUs. Yeah. Mega switch. Yeah. There. We got more on this side. Oh, they falling out the car. Try to catch it. They falling out. She must have hit a turn. I'm going to use this one maybe this one for a personal. Maybe. We'll see. So yeah, was it a good pickup? You daggone right. It was a great pickup. Was it free? Absolutely. That's the best kind, the only kind really. Sometimes you have to buy them, but not today. Yeah. A lot of these will work. I'll take out the hard drives, sell them. Try to sell a lot of them first. They power up, they're getting sold. They power up and make noise, they're getting scrapped. Absolutely. Alright, until next time. I'm going to take a few of these apart probably on the next clip. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. All that good stuff. Well, we're not done sorting. We got other things to do right at the moment. 2450. Two of those. 2950. Three of those. There's more though. What are these? 28s. 2850. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus more in the truck. 26s, I believe. There's 4 there. These 1950s. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. So, got 2 here I'm going to post for now. Still got a bunch up in there. Just ain't got time to sort them right now. I'll check them at the house. I'll get back with you. Alright, here's all the Cisco routers. Here's a 26 XM, 2960, 60G, 2950. Here's a 26 something. Same as this, I think. Close. 2600, 2900, 2900, XL, whatever. And I got some oddball ones here. Pro 232. What's this? An old Bay Network. Oh, that's an encryptor. A Dell 3348. One of these ones. That EMC2 is pretty good. 3Com. And I didn't even, I spun the last one, didn't I? Nope, that's something else. 3Com. Which one was I trying to get at? The bottom one. What's up, buddy? Oh, it's a video, audio distribution amplifier. We got this Power Edge at 840, and I'm still digging, y'all. Still digging. I'll stack them up and show you. Smart switch router. We're gonna pull it apart. Why not? I took the back off. It's pretty. Oh yeah. Beautiful. I want to tear into that. Boss won't let me. Alright, hoof and all. Felt like aluminum. It is aluminum. What the deuce? Why'd it stick to that one part? Whatever. It goes in the aluminum bucket. Which one's this? Oh, the one you're sitting on. That's alright. Now you got a platter to sit on. There you go. Let's pop these bad boys out. Cha-ching. Cha-ching. Oh yeah, that's pretty. These just goes power supplies with those. We don't hold on to that stiff. Almost cussed. Ooh la la. Somebody was saying I don't make long enough videos. Here's my thing. You really want to watch a 30-minute video on YouTube? Do it. I ain't gonna sit here and post a 30-minute video. That means I have to sit down for 3 hours editing, all that stuff. Boy, every one of them boards are pretty. Every one of them. And a couple more power supplies. We're gonna take all this crap to the scrap. Get rid of that today. Anything else in there I want? No. But we'll check it anyway. Maybe. I have an idea. Just like that. Oh, there's probably 2 screws holding it here in the front. Whatever. I doubt those will hold it in, will they? They might. Nope, almost got it in tow. That's how we do it. See, nothing. Stay tuned. Of course, it'd be the one rounded off. Sorry, I ripped that corner off. Too much coffee today, y'all. So we can get this at the big one. Since I rounded it off. Apparently not. It's alright. relaxing. What, baby? I like it. I enjoy it. It's therapeutic. I ain't out there mad at the world. Working a 9 to 5, wanting to choke somebody. Getting fired before I got hired. That's how I see it. I know if anybody ever gets a chance to get one of them big magnets out of a hard drive, out of them old hard drives, get it. And look what I'm doing with it. Just toss some screws on it, but when it gets full, empty it. It takes a few seconds. Throw that over there, and a good board, pal. That's purty. Yeah. Old school. Didn't bring the drill, I guess. I'll take the last one out already. Nice. Booyaka. Man, look at that power moving. It's all good in the hood. Bang. Snippity snip snips. I'll borrow him a second. Go ahead. What you doing? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yep. That's what I call fuel money, baby. So this little bit's called fuel money. Okay, bro, pick them batteries up, I dare you. They ain't light. It looks like they're anything, but they're just glued in there. See it? It's crazy, isn't it? Some good adhesive. That's what I say. Ewaste Ben would be proud of me today. How many servers did we say we ended up with? 25 in there, and how many was in here? Me neither. What I say it was though, like 35 or 40? 40-ish? 40-ish. We'll count them tomorrow, huh? Alright, y'all.